To get started with WebLink on your iPhone, go to the Apple App Store and find the WebLink host application. Once you've installed it, go ahead and open the application. The first thing you'll see is our end user license agreement. So here, just the terms of service. Go ahead and read through that. Once you're ready to go and you've read through it, you can go ahead and accept and move on to the next step, which is actually getting set up with the permissions. So here, what we're going to do is allow permissions to get started. Some of the applications that are used on WebLink require some permissions from the smartphone. This is basically for your safety. So continue to permissions. The first thing you want to do is provide location. So that the navigation and other location-based services can use your location to give you accurate positioning. So this we want to allow while using the app. Go ahead and go next. And there's a couple of additional permissions. The calendar, this is to be able to access your calendar from the calendar application in WebLink. For your photos, you want to be able to give permission so that in the video player app, you can now watch your videos and images through the screen. Allow full access for that. And then media and Apple Music, go ahead and allow access to that so that you can now play all the music that you have stored on your smartphone, be able to listen to it on the music player application. Once you're done with that, you're all set. You're ready to connect.